What's poppin', Glam fam? I've got a TEMU haul for you guys, but let's make it glitter and glam. So basically everything I got is some form of glitter or bling. And if you didn't already know, glitter is completely my favorite color. Hold on. Okay, first item on the menu is this beautiful rose gold colored makeup brush set, but wait till you guys see the handles on the makeup brush. What? So it's all of these gorgeous blinged out crystals. The brush is super soft, and if I'm being completely honest, like, I don't even want to use these because they're so gorgeous. Okay, hold on. Okay, next up, I got this. It's for your car. It's to hold, like, you know, your insurance card, your registration, like anything that you need for your car, and you need it like quick, fast, and in a hurry. This. You guys see it though? And it actually matches my steering wheel cover, so we love that for me. And don't talk about my fire alarm. It just started going off like last week, so mind your business. Okay, next up we've got this colorful glitter gel. And it was just like this gel that you can like put anywhere, but it's glitter. Oh, and it's hard to open. And I think if I'm remembering correctly, I kind of, oh yeah, I did. Look at, it's kind of like a unicorn, like, I don't know, it's, okay, this is the lid. Let me see if I can get my camera to focus. Yes, it's got like purples in there. It's so pretty. It's actually gorgeous. Let me just swatch this for you guys. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Can't wait to use that. Next up. Okay, I had to give you guys like the full effect. Look at it on my face. It's so pretty, but in person it's like much more prettier. When I saw this next one, the way that I smashed that add to cart button so fast, it's like a travel size perfume. You can add, I mean, you can add whatever you want to it, basically, but I don't know, you could add a body spray, you could add your favorite perfume. I think the perfume will be like a little bit hard to get in here because it doesn't have one of those things at the bottom where you do that. But you could put like your Victoria's Secret or Pink, like the body sprays in there. But I mean, honestly, gorgeous. Okay, this next one, it's like not super on par with the theme of Glitz and Glam, but it sort of is because it's a vitamin C. It's 20% vitamin C, and it's going to make you glow. So, yes. Okay, next up, we've got this 24 karat gold snail mask. It deep cleanses your skin, clean dirt, and tightens your pores. And yes, the mask is actually gold colored. Okay, and next up we have this Bling Glow highlighter. It's kind of like a purpley shade, and it definitely leaked in transit, but let me try and show y'all what this color looks like because it's freaking gorgeous. I don't know what it is, but there's just something about a purple highlight for me that works with my skin tone. There it is, but it's not like really blended in. So let me just blend this in for you. My fire extinguisher, or my fire alarm thing is making me look bad, y'all. I can't wait to use it. It's gorgeous. Okay, next up, I've got this another highlighter. It's by Her Orange, but it's in the color 6. Let me swatch this for you guys. I love the packaging. It's like a very pretty rose gold. And then here's the color. I think you guys can't really see the color well because of my ring light, but it's like It's almost the same color as this. It's very, very pretty. Okay, next up, I got these two like highlighters. I got one of them with like a shimmer to it and then one without a shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see. I swatched them right there. Because I like to highlight like the inner corners with shimmer. And then sometimes I'll do like a line right here and right here because it just makes your nose look like uber snatched. So I got these. If y'all are still here, y'all the real MVP. We are almost to the finish line. I got a lip gloss. I don't know why. I do know why. It's fucking gorgeous. I'll put it on for you guys right now. But I literally, oh my God, it's so pretty. Have like 1,000 lip glosses. I'm not even joking you. What's one more? Hold on, I'm going to put it on for you guys. Okay, what do we think? I think I love it. I think it's beautiful and it makes my lips look juicy AF. Okay, last item. I'm so excited. Okay, well, y'all were fighting about Stanleys and who can afford this and who can afford that. Bitch, I don't give a fuck. Just give me a gorgeous cup. Just give me a gorgeous cup. What? And I want to say this was like $20. And she's beautiful. And she is gorgeous. And she is all mine. And it's not a Stanley. And it's not a whatever the fuck else brand cup y'all be fighting over. And it fits in my car. That's the most important part, is that it fits in my car. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little TEMU haul. If you want to get 30% off of anything, I'm going to leave a link in my bio. And this is my code that you're going to search when you go on TEMU. And yeah. Okay, bye.